Hi, Lala again. So this morning I spent the whole morning to process about one thing, to come to a conclusion that I am so slow in processing things, information. So slow. So it's better to follow what other people think is good for both. Everyone knows what is. Hang on. It depends. For some people, they don't know the balance. Then their decision will make me uneasy. Huh? But for some, they know how to balance out things between two parties, and then you can trust their decision. So yeah, go with the flow. Life is balance. It's just the way I do before awakening, before my awakening. I follow other people. I agree to what they say. And things gonna be alright because they are smarter than me. They are faster than me. They calculate things faster than me, and then the easiest way is to follow them. Yeah. And in the past, I thought that was my weakness. But now, I know it's not a weakness at all. It's it makes sure everything got balanced, of course, and and it's easy because that's why I always need the reason behind everything, every questions, every order, I always need explanation because I am so slow in processing the information. So slow. And if things are not clear to me, then I feel like then I will feel how to say then I will feel suspecting. Now it needs all the time, all the pain to realize that the way I live in the past is the exact way for me. But at that time, I live it unconsciously. I didn't choose to live like that. I was not aware. I even felt painful leading that lifestyle, and I tried to change it. I tried to gain the control over my try to take control of things. But then now I realize that that lifestyle is for me. Life and other people, life always balance everything's out. So I don't need to think much about the calculating thing. Let other people think and then follow it. Yeah, that's it.